diesel trucks. I've owned a couple diesel trucks. One was a pretty sweet 1994 turbo Power Stroke. It was a crew cab, 8-foot bed, dually. I had 2 roll top miter stacks on it. It wasn't nothing crazy. It was a 5-speed. It was pretty neat. I loved it. Until it became an ether baby. Which is, I think, rode nice. I mean, it was beautiful. But it just, like, didn't like to start in the winter. So, living up in Ohio, it was cold. Like, all the friggin' time. Like, get up every morning, -13. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Cold. Like, shovel about 2 feet of snow off your damn truck every morning. Thing was a 2-wheel drive. Didn't have no power. It was a 7.3 for 7.3 liters of diesel power. Why can't they be more? Why can't they have more horsepower? It had torque. Well, why can't it have more horsepower? I think it was like some stupid low, like 185 horsepower or something for a 7.3 liter. That's not enough. I could be wrong on the horsepower. I'm not sure. Truck I have now, have had for years. Love that thing. It's a 2001 Dodge Ram. 2500 extended cab, 8-foot bed. When I bought that thing, first thing I did was went to Chrome Depot. I think I dropped about $2,000 just on the stacks. Just 2 7-inch bull haulers. Okay, but they're pretty awesome. Noisy as all get out. I'll have to do a video on it one of these days. Things rotted out though, like Swiss cheese. One of the doors don't work no more because it's literally rotted shut, rusted shut. You can't open it. It's ridiculous. But so I've worked on Power Strokes. I've worked on Cummins. Which one do I like more? Cummins. It's just so easy to work on. Yeah, parts may be stupid expensive because it's Chrysler product. You know. But it just works. You know. My Cummins, I never plug that thing in. Same weather conditions. Run the heater grid, because those year Cummins, I don't know if any earlier or later had glow plugs. I don't think they do, but I'm not sure. Mine has a heater grid. It does not have glow plugs. It has a heater grid, which is in the intake. Run that one cycle. I think it'll kick right off. Just I've had to do a VP within, like, I bought this truck, it had like 86,000 miles on it. And I forgot to mention, it's a 4x4 6-speed manual. So it's got some giddy up. I love the 6-speed. I know the automatics, they have issues, so I never wanted to deal with that. So I had to fix in my Cummins. I've had to fix fuel lines, brake lines. I went to Napa and got, when I first bought the thing, I went to Napa and replaced the entire front end on the thing. And I bought the expensive parts so that whenever I'd had to replace the front end parts again, I'm talking tie rod ends, ball joints, what do they call that one bar? It's not panhard. It like goes from the frame on one end to the axle on the other. I bought all that stuff. I bought all that stuff at Napa. Like the first year I had that truck. The whole front end. Okay. And I bought like the expensive shit. I think it cost me close to $1,000 for everything at Napa. Which is, I think, is just insane for parts. But when I first got it, I was like, yeah, maybe I'll replace it once or twice. When you buy those expensive chassis parts at Napa, they have a lifetime guarantee. I don't know if anybody else has dealt with that. Now, I don't know if their quality's bad. I don't know, because I have never put anything else but that on that truck. But I replace that entire front end every year. Once a year. So I just take the old parts off, take them up there, give me new ones. Perfect.